Alright, so this is my Google Drive that I use on a very regular basis. It's what I use for my school corporation, so it has all of my school files on here. I have organized this by subject or content, so I have some folders here, like this one is for our entire school. I have content for, or folders for open houses, for PBL, for when we do Makerspace, for math, different receipts I have for remote learning specifically, for STEM, for substitutes, testing and data, vocabulary, writing. There is so many folders just to keep myself organized. A way to create a new document through here is to go to the new button, and you can pick docs, sheets, slides, drawings, whichever you're looking for. So if I click the docs button, it'll pull up a new document. So let's say I want to use this to create a worksheet or a quiz or something. So I can make this, and then to share it, I would click the share button if I wanted to share this with another person. Name it first, and then I could share it with other people if I have colleagues or other administrators, whoever I'd like to submit this to. I can share it that way, and then we can work together. Once I have made this document, I can organize it before I even leave. So up here, I can move the document. This just takes it from my drive and lets me put it inside of a folder. So let's say this were a worksheet and I wanted to put it under a worksheet for vocabulary. I could click vocabulary, it would automatically move it there. And so test has been moved from my drive to vocabulary, which means that it's done. Another way to organize your drive is that if you already have an item created, so like I just created this presentation about Greece for this badge, if I want to move that into a folder, I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my grad school folder, which is right here. So I'm going to click on the Greece and I'm going to pull until it's in the grad school, and then as we can see, it moved from my regular item or regular format of items into the grad school folder, and if I click on it, it will pop up right here. So this is how I keep my drive nice and organized. It's also how I keep all of my digital files organized within Google Drive. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about how to organize your Google Drive.